All right, so this is the vibration guard. This is like that cover for your front loading washer that you pull out, and you can press this little button and pull it all the way out. And this is where you put your detergent, liquid or powder, bleach, and your, what is that called? Oh, fabric softener. It says it right on it. Whew. Anyway, so constantly breaking, the cover constantly comes off. So I'm trying out my little plastic welder thing over here, which kind of looks like this here. And it's a cheap one. It's not very good, but I was able to sink in these spikes and somewhat fix the part that was breaking up top. So now I'm going to switch to the bottom where it's got a fracture in it. All right, let's try to fix this crack. You can see it separates a little bit when I pull on it. Not too bad, but it's just my old plastic weld was so I want to fix that. Let's see how that looks. It's okay. It seems to actually, it seems to be holding it a little bit better, so that's good. I'm going to insert some more of those, and let's see how long this repair lasts. You can tell that my previous plastic weld job was poor. Alright, so now I'm going to try to fix this outside cover, tighten it up right here, because that's popped off a few times as well. The reason I pull my thumb off for a little bit, let it cool, is so that there's no drag and it can't pull this back out. I want it to stay as deep as I set it. Alright, so now that's tight. Now we found a new weak spot, so we're gonna shore that one up too. So it broke through, it punched it. So I'm just gonna pull it back out, and I'm gonna go this direction now, kind of up toward the top, or toward the gusset if I can. Better. Not horrible. Feels like it's biting in. So all in all, we'll see how long this repair lasts. It doesn't look like it's the greatest thing since sliced bread, but considering what we were dealing with before, oh yeah, it feels a lot more solid. Well, all in all, it feels better. It's more solid. I'm sure this will be a lot better repair than my original job where I just did some really ugly plastic welding without adding a lot of material to it. So let's see if it holds up. Thanks for watching. And always try to fix it first.